Hi everyone, in front of me I've got ZTE Axon 30 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings. Now let's scroll down to the About phone and find a build number. It may be quite strange for you, but first of all we have to activate the developer options. So let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now let's go back to the general settings, tap on the system and update and enter developer options. As you can see here, we've got plenty of options to choose from, and basically if you'd like to learn more about the developer options, let's check our video tutorial about the developer options. You can find it on our channel. So in order to activate the automatic system updates, we have to scroll down just a little bit to find this option. So basically all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher, and from this moment this option is active, and it simply means that your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about manually updating your device, just remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, just by tapping on the switcher again. So basically that's all. This is how to activate automatic system updates in your ZTE Axon 30. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.